Understanding budget surplus and its types. A budget surplus is a financial situation where a government's income or revenue exceeds its expenditures or spending. This surplus arises when the government takes in more money than it spends in a given period, such as a fiscal year. A budget surplus can have positive effects on an economy, as it allows the government to pay off debt, save for future needs, or invest in public services. Let's explore the types of budget surplus and their definitions. 1. Structural surplus. A structural budget surplus occurs when a government's revenue consistently exceeds its expenditures, even without considering temporary or cyclical factors. This type of surplus indicates a sound fiscal policy and the ability to maintain financial stability in the long run. 2. Cyclical surplus. A cyclical budget surplus emerges due to favorable economic conditions, such as high economic growth and low unemployment. This type of surplus is temporary and varies with the economic cycle. It may decrease during economic downturns when revenue drops and expenditures increase. 3. Temporary surplus. A temporary budget surplus is a short-lived surplus resulting from one-time factors like asset sales, tax windfalls, or unexpected revenue sources. It's important to distinguish this type from a structural surplus, as relying on temporary factors can lead to financial instability in the future. Views on budget surplus. Considering the importance of a budget surplus, it's vital for governments to manage their finances prudently. A surplus enables a government to save for rainy days, reduce debt, and invest in projects that benefit the public. However, maintaining a surplus requires careful balance, as excessive surpluses can indicate that the government is overtaxing its citizens or under-investing in critical areas like infrastructure and social programs. In conclusion, a budget surplus is a financial state in which a government's income exceeds its expenses. The types of budget surplus include structural, cyclical, and temporary. A budget surplus can have various economic implications, but its management should be thoughtful and balanced. Thank you for watching, and if you like this information, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content.